name is Jonathan Hay. I'm a mountain from Forces Nature. In this video of Forces Nature, we're going to discuss an issue between our mountain friend Yang Shi and his one friend Madi.
Hey, Yang-Chi.
Oh, hey, Marty.
Alright, brother.
I'm doing good, you?
Well, listen, bro. We have soccer game tomorrow at the university, and all of my friends will come, and some of my membership that you know will come. There will be free food. So, what do you say?
Soccer, you say?
Yeah.
No, I'm not really a soccer guy, you see?
Come on, bro. It will be fun.
What time is it tomorrow?
At 4 p.m.
4? We'll see if I can make it after I get off work.
Alright.
Alright, I'll see you then.
One.
Hold on. Cut. This is Madi with the wind, and this is Yang-Chi with the mountain. Madi is excited about the soccer game, and Yang-Chi is not. Let's fix this thing and change the topic about it.
Hey, Yang-Chi. How are you?
Marty.
There's car racing at the...
Wait, what? Did you say
Car
car?
racing, yeah. Right now.
Where?
At 32nd Street.
32nd Street.
Yeah.
Man, my car just came out of the shop too, and I'm ready to go.
Really?
Is it like street racing, like pink slips, like where everybody lines up?
Yeah.
I'm down, dude. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go, bro.
Right
Let's
now?
go.
Let's
Right
go.
now, let's go.
As we can see from our first conversation, Madi was trying to approach Yang Shi, and he really wasn't into going to soccer game. Yang Shi, being a mountain, he needed some time to think about going to the game. It wasn't a quick decision for him. But as we see from our second conversation, Madi approached Yang Shi on a topic he closely liked and was into, and the energy between them two was ecstatic. They both came to the same level, and it was great communication.